Alcoholic hepatitis causes and symptoms. Alcoholic hepatitis is a liver infection. The main cause is frequent heavy alcohol use. Fat builds up in the liver cells and it can lead to inflammation and scarring of the liver. The infection can be mild or severe. The person may need a liver transplant if they do not receive treatment or stop consuming alcohol during the early stages. What is alcoholic hepatitis? Alcoholic hepatitis occurs when a person consumes more alcohol than the liver can process. The liver is the second largest organ in the body. It is on the right side of the torso under the rib cage. Its role is to convert food and drink into nutrients that the body can use easily. The liver also filters poisons and harmful substances, including alcohol, from the blood. Alcohol can damage and destroy liver cells. The liver breaks down alcohol for removal from the body. The liver can only process alcohol in small doses. Any excess alcohol circulates throughout the body. Drinking more alcohol than the body can process may cause injury or serious damage to the liver. Alcohol and the liver. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol is an ingredient in beer, wine and liquor that causes intoxication. Alcohol affects every organ in the body and the central nervous system. The way a person experiences the effects of alcohol depends directly on the amount they consume. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a variety of health problems, including cirrhosis or scarring of the liver, inflammation of the pancreas, cancer, high blood pressure, psychological disorders, alcohol dependence. Alcohol can harm a fetus during pregnancy and increase the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. It can also lead to unintentional motor accidents and violence. Symptoms. One of the most common signs of alcoholic hepatitis is jaundice or yellowing of the skin and eyes. Additional symptoms include loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, fever, tiredness and weakness, weight loss. Alcoholic hepatitis can be either mild or severe. It is possible to reverse the condition by ceasing to drink alcohol. Severe alcoholic hepatitis can occur without warning, leading to life-threatening complications such as liver failure. Once the condition becomes severe, symptoms include a buildup of fluid in the upper body, confusion and behavior changes, liver and kidney failure. Signs and symptoms vary between people and depend on the severity of the disease. They can also flare up after consuming alcohol. Causes and risk factors. The main cause of alcoholic hepatitis is heavy drinking over an extended period. The process of breaking down alcohol in the liver causes inflammation that can destroy liver cells. Over time, scars begin to replace functional liver tissue in the body. This interferes with how the liver works. Irreversible scarring or cirrhosis is the final stage of alcoholic liver disease. Cirrhosis can quickly progress to liver failure once it develops. A damaged liver can also interfere with blood flow to the kidneys. This can result in damage and kidney failure. Other factors can contribute to alcoholic hepatitis. People with other types of hepatitis have a higher risk. They should not drink alcohol. A person with alcoholic hepatitis may experience malnourishment. Drinking significant amounts of alcohol can suppress the appetite. Alcohol may become the main source of calories for an individual. Malnutrition can also contribute to liver disease. Other possible risk factors include sex, as women may have a higher risk of developing alcoholic hepatitis, obesity, genetic factors, race and ethnicity, as African American and Hispanic people may face a higher risk of developing alcoholic hepatitis. Diagnosis: some people may not show symptoms until the disease has reached a severe stage. A doctor will take a complete medical history, carry out a physical examination, ask the person about their history or alcohol consumption and their drinking habits. Blood tests to determine alcoholic hepatitis include liver function studies, cellular blood counts, measuring bleeding times, electrolyte test for other chemicals in the body. An ultrasound, CT or MRI scan can show a more detailed view of the liver and any physical damage. If other tests do not provide a clear answer, the doctor may conduct a liver biopsy. This involves taking a small tissue sample from the liver using either a needle or through surgery for testing in a laboratory. The results will help to determine the type and scale of the problem. Prevention: not everyone who consumes large amounts of alcohol will develop alcoholic hepatitis. More research is necessary to confirm why some people who drink in excess develop the disease while others do not. It is also important to note that alcoholic hepatitis can also occur in moderate drinkers, although the risk is far lower. According to the Liver Foundation, up to 35% of people who consume alcohol heavily develop alcoholic hepatitis. Of this, 35% already have cirrhosis. Alcohol can have a wide range of harmful effects on the body. People who consume alcohol should do so in moderation.